Is your Ford F-250 screen going black when you plug in for Apple CarPlay? Studies show that 80% of these connectivity blackouts are just temporary software glitches that a quick reset can fix. Let us start with the basics. Perform a hard reset by holding the seek forward and volume down buttons until the Ford logo appears on your display. If the reset fails, check your Lightning or USB-C cable for damage, as frayed wires often cause signal dropouts. Next, head into your iPhone settings and forget the truck connection before repairing it from scratch. Most issues resolve here, but if you still see a black screen, you may have a faulty APIM module that requires a dealer visit. While a cable is cheap, a full APIM module replacement can be expensive, so exhaust all software options first. Finally, check your fuse box for any blown fuses and ensure your sync software is fully updated via the Ford website. Keep a high-quality cable and a fuse puller in your glove box to handle these intermittent connection issues on the road. Remember, in modern trucks, software is often the primary source of what feels like a mechanical failure. If you're still seeing black, it is time for a professional scan. Thanks for watching the Troubleshooting Playbook.